Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Credit. Amazon Credit is a digital balance linked directly to your account, often from gift cards, refunds, or special promotions. It's incredibly convenient as it automatically applies to eligible purchases when you check out. This means you don't need to manually enter codes. The system handles it for you, making your shopping experience smoother and more efficient right from the start. Knowing your available balance is key. To check your Amazon credit, simply log into your account on the Amazon website or through their mobile app. Navigate to the Account and Lists section, then select Gift Cards and Gifting. Here, you'll find a clear display of your current credit balance. This quick check ensures you always know exactly how much you have to spend, helping you plan your purchases effectively. Using your credit during checkout is straightforward. After adding your desired items to your shopping cart, proceed to the checkout page. Once you've selected your shipping address and preferred delivery options, you'll see your Amazon credit automatically applied to reduce the order total. Always confirm that the credit has been deducted before finalizing your payment, ensuring you get the full benefit of your available balance on every eligible purchase. While Amazon credit is generally flexible, there are a few important points to remember. Most credit, like gift card balances, does not expire, but always check the terms for promotional credits, as they often have specific expiration dates. Credit cannot be transferred to other accounts or redeemed for cash. Also, be aware that some third-party seller items or certain subscriptions might not be eligible for credit use. Always review the details to maximize your savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.